Welcome to Ed News, your trusted source for the latest updates and insights in the ever-evolving world of global education. Before we dive into the news in detail, let us look at the top headlines for this week. Australia implements tougher visa rules to curb visa hopping among international students. Canada proposes post-graduation work permit reforms to align international graduates with job market demands. London universities launch Study London campaign to reassure international students amid immigration changes. US Embassy in India marks record surge in US student visa on annual student visa day. Moving on to the news. Starting July 1st, 2024, the Australian government will implement changes to student visa eligibility to prevent visa hopping and enhance the integrity of its student visa programs. Under the new rules, holders of temporary graduate, visitor visa, and maritime crew visas will no longer be able to apply for a student visa while in Australia. This initiative is a part of Australia's broader immigration strategy aimed at providing genuine international students with better opportunities to study and build their own career in Australia. Now, Australia is not the only country making changes. The Canadian government is also consulting with provinces on proposed changes to the post-graduation work permit program. The reform aims to align work permit eligibility with specific labour market needs, requiring international graduates to complete programs in high-demand fields and meet new language requirements. These changes are expected to improve the quality of candidates entering Canada's permanent resident pool and enhancing job prospects for international graduates, aligning their education with Canada's evolving labour market needs. London universities have launched the Study London campaign led by London Higher, representing 50 institutions. The campaign aims to highlight London's inclusivity and career prospects, positioning the city as a welcoming environment for international students despite recent immigration changes. The Study London campaign features first-hand accounts from current students on dedicated platforms, giving prospective learners a glimpse into the life in London as an international student. Consular Team India recently interviewed 3,900 student visa applicants during the 8th annual Student Visa Day, highlighting strong educational ties between the US and India. Over the past 3 years, the number of Indian students studying in the US have surged, with more Indian student visas issued in 2023 than in 2018, 2019 and 2020 combined. To meet the growing demand, the US Embassy and consulates in India have extended the student visa seasons for 2024. With 69% of Indian students favoring US education, opportunities for studying in America continue to expand. And that wraps up this week's edition of Ed News. From visa reforms to initiatives promoting inclusivity and career prospects, we are here to keep you informed. Don't forget to subscribe to Ed News to stay informed with the latest developments, and we will see you next week on Friday with more news and updates.